Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you see, today's video is going to be a clean with me and a unboxing. I'm not going to be doing too of an in-depth cleaning. I'm just washing some dishes that I had accumulated from breakfast, and I'm going to just tidy up a little bit. And at the end of the video, I'm going to be doing a Glove collaborative unboxing. So guys, please stay to the end so you can see some of the items that I received in this month's subscription. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you guys a part of our YouTube family. And for my new subscribers, welcome. I am so glad you decided to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our great family. And you're going to be seeing a lot of new videos from me, guys, so just stay tuned. So without further ado, we're just going to get into this video. Guys, right here is a awesome cutting board that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it says home is where our family gathers, and I just thought it was so cute. Guys, I also was doing some laundry today. I am taking out a load and I'm going to be putting a load in the washer. This is my laundry room, and right now it is under construction. We are doing some changes to it, and I will be doing a video in the near future to give you guys a look into my laundry room. But right now, like I said, it's not finished. I still have a lot that I have to do with it. So if you guys would like to see that video, give me a thumbs up, and also comment below if you guys would like to see a video of my laundry room once I have had it all completed. Right here I'm just showing you guys my container which I keep my laundry detergent in, and I kind of already started doing some changes to the laundry. Like you see, we end up stacking our washer and dryer on top of each other just to give some added space in the laundry room, and we're going to be adding shelves. But like I said, I will share that video for you guys in the near future when we do some updating, because right now all we did was just rearrange the washer and dryer and added some paint, like I said. Okay guys, I want to show you my shipment of Glow Collaborative products. I had this shipment for a while, but I'm just now sharing it with you guys. Sorry about that. I did open it up because I needed some dish soap, and so that's why it's already open. But we're going to jump into it, and I'm going to share with you everything that I got in this shipment. So we're going to take the paper out here, and I'm gonna let you see how it looks inside. And I didn't order that much because I really didn't need that much. I just needed some dish soap, so I already used one of the dish soaps, and then I ordered some more. So this is the mint scent in the dish soap, and I really do like this scent, so I ordered 2 of those. And then I ordered lemon verbena, but you already seen that when I did my cleaning version of this video. And then I ordered some Method all-purpose cleaning wipes, and this will be my first time using this, and it is in the pink grapefruit. And I just mainly wanted those because I wanted to have some wipes if I wanted to do a quick wipe up in the kitchen or anywhere else in the house. And then I ordered some Method foaming bathroom cleaner, and I really do love this bathroom cleaner, guys. This is one of my favorites from Glow Collaborative, and this is the eucalyptus mint scent, and like I said, it's one of my favorites. And I did do a favorites video for Glow Collaborative, and I'll link that video for you guys. So the next item, I have 2 items left, are these sponge here. They are the coconut scrubber sponge, and I really do like these. I should have ordered 2 because I needed one, and a spare would have been really nice. I use them in my kitchen, and after I've used them for a while, I just, you know, give them to my husband, and he uses them in the garage or wherever he uses it at. But I kind of after they get a little worn and stuff like that, I just give it to him and he uses them. So we get double use out of them, and they're really, really good. And the very last item is these purifying facial toilettes from Rooted. And this is also a new item. I have never tried it before. Like I said many times before, Glow Collaborative have a lot of products besides just your cleaning products that you can use within your home. This toilets are good for travel, gym bags, and just like on the go. I most likely will be using these in my bathroom area, and there are 30 toilets in a pack, so a great buy. Like I said, it is my first time using those. That was the last item in this Glow Collaborative subscription. I hope you guys enjoy videos like this. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love, love, love to have you guys a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.